Lower it slowly into the oil.
The burner's still on.
Hey, I know what I'm doing, Tom.
But there's too much oil.
Oh, God!
She was sneezing in Scottish.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey everyone, my name is Jason and this is Tom the Pool Guy, and we're going to give you 3 safety tips for frying your turkeys on this Thanksgiving.
Please don't blow my house up again.
No promises. Tip 1, make sure you set up your deep fryer in a safe, level area, trying to avoid any flammable objects just in case this goes poorly.
Like last
Tip 2, make sure when you're adding your oil for your frying, you don't add too much because it'll spill over and cause a fire when you add this beautiful butterball right there. Isn't that right, buddy?
Jason, that's too much.
Hey, who's the firefighter and who's the pool guy?
I did it. How'd it look? Let me know.
Step 3, you're gonna grab this beautiful butterball right here, put your safety gear on, and lower it slowly
Jason,
into the
the
oil.
burner's still on.
Hey, I know what I'm doing, Tom.
But there's too much oil.
Oh, God!
Jason, my pool's
It's not gonna be a great day to be outside, but oh, hold on. Got something going on in here. Holy crap! This entire pool is on fire!
Woman sneezing on the train to Scotland today. To Scotland. She was sneezing in Scottish. Is that a thing? Achoo. Achoo. Achoo.
Oh, excuse me. Anyway, someone has secretly accused me of being American, and this hasn't happened for a while, so I'm just gonna do what I do every time, which is to confirm to you guys that I am actually Scottish. I was born in Scotland, probably die in Scotland, hopefully not too soon, and any rumours that you're hearing about me secretly being American are slanderous and false, okay? False. I am Scottish, okay? No Americans here. I love Americans, but I'm not an American, okay? Right?
Is that a thing? Do we sneeze in accents? I didn't know that was a thing. And really, really like multiple words.
Is that a wrap? Did we get it? Oh my god, every time! I don't know how they keep figuring out I'm not really Scotch, but just getting a little bit close to the wire, guys. Is there anything we can do? Can we, like, give me some dialect coaching to help keep the Scotch accent up? I mean, I've been trying with my R's and my Sparavacti vowels, but it's just so hard. So hard. How do these little Scotch people do it with the cute accent? Oh, sorry.
I'm cat sitting and I have allergies. And it has been 25 minutes of this. I'm just sitting in the car until I feel like I can drive. realize it's funny because he didn't turn out. He didn't turn out to be just like every other guy. No, he turned out to be a past copy of me before I did healing. Karma got me! Karma's a bitch and the bitch don't love you!
Good morning. Today is Saturday. I woke up feeling a bit sluggish. I did not have a good night's rest. My allergies have been killing me all night long, non-stop sneezing. Today will be a pretty full day. We're gonna go put gas. This is extremely expensive here in California, and after that we're gonna go and get Halloween costumes. After that we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. Me and my friend, because only two of us, we're gonna do kind of like a Trader Joe's night, buy our favorite items, and then have like a little party here at the house. So I know what I'm getting. I'm getting the birria. I'm gonna make birria tacos, but if there's anything else, any other ideas that, hold on.
Okay, so I have never met anybody with the same thing that happens to them. When I am hungry, I get really sick to my stomach, like I'm gonna puke, and then it's really intense, and then all of a sudden I have a big urge to sneeze, and then I sneeze, and then immediately I don't have to eat anymore. Like, I'm not hungry at all, my stomach feels perfectly fine, and I can go hours and hours without eating. So, when I was in high school, I mentioned it to my friends and they were like, that's not right, like, we don't hungry sneeze, that's weird. So, I looked it up and it's something to do with like a nerve in your brain that like sends signals to your stomach to sneeze whenever you're hungry. And it's a very rare condition, but apparently I have it. So I was wondering, does anybody else have this? Because it's strange, and I want to know if I'm not alone.
You know that moment where you pick up your allergy medicine that you've been out of for 2 or 3 days from the pharmacy, and you're so excited to get your allergy medicine that you leave your credit card at the pharmacy and you have to go back and get it. But you come home and you take your allergy medicine and you're so excited for it to kick in and you realize your favorite pajamas are clean. All is right with the world.
Okay, so today I got a Saramat parcel and this is me opening it for you. I'm going to try and see if I can keep the original sound, but very much doubt it. So, first things first. And it's a Gucci box. What's going to be inside it? Let me show you, because this one is a good one. So, come on, come on, come on. We have beautiful Gucci sliders. Like, I absolutely adore these things. I think they're absolutely stunning. Smell a little bit. Only thing out of this parcel that smelled was the sliders, nothing else smelled. Just quickly trying them on. Yep, effective. They're doing good. Keep them, thank you very much. And we also got this little Gucci shopping bag thing, and the little shoe bag. Oh dear. Oh dear.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Calm yourself.
I'm gonna be trying to sneeze with my eyes open. What the? I don't think this is gonna work. No. Thanks for watching.